Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Daedalus and create your own Cardano ADA wallet. Remember that this is a full blockchain wallet, so it's going to take a while to sync up to the internet once you download and install it. It'll sync up automatically, it'll just take a little time, so keep that in mind. First thing you want to do is go to daedaluswallet.io. Make sure you have the secure icon up here. Okay. You want to go, this is the home page, you want to go to download. You're going to get your options of operating systems here. I'm going to download the one for Windows. It's going to take a little time to download, so I'm going to skip ahead. Okay, on my system it took about 4 minutes. Now that it's downloaded, you want to run the executable. Follow the prompts and install the program. Close when it's completed. You'll see an icon on your desktop that says Daedalus mainnet, so you want to launch that. Now it's going to sync up with the blockchain before it lets you in. And I actually had some of it downloaded before, and it was syncing up in the background, so I'm almost complete. This could take 2 to 3 hours depending on your machine and your internet connection. So now it's loading wallet data. So it's synced to the blockchain. Now it's going to sync up transactions within the wallet. So this could take a while. You can see we're not quite at 100%, but it will let us create a wallet. So let's go down here, choose create, give it a name. Now we need to create a spending password. Whenever you send ADA out of your wallet, you'll need this password, or you pay for a transaction in ADA, you'll need your password. You do want to keep it in a very secure place. You don't want to keep it online, but you want access to it to use it as a spending password. Choose create Shelley wallet. Read the information. It's going to give you a little extra time here. You want to continue. Now this is your 24-word recovery phrase. So this is very important that you write this down and you keep it in a very safe place. Could be a safe, could be a safe deposit box, wherever you consider it very safe. So I'm going to write these down. Okay, so after I've written them down, I'm going to say, yes, I've written down my wallet recovery phrase. It's going to make you repeat your phrase just to make sure that you have them in the correct order and they're written down properly. So go through and do this step. Now that I've entered the proper phrase in the proper order, it's going to have me sign off on this agreement, that I understand the agreement. Okay, now that I've created a new wallet, it's got to sync this wallet to the blockchain. Okay, so it's going to go through, it'll keep you notified up here at what level it is, and it's going to go slowly because it's got to run through the whole entire blockchain to make sure that there's no transactions for this wallet, even though it's created new. While my new wallet is syncing, I'll give you a quick overview of the wallet features. If you click here, you can see that we have one wallet. We can have as many wallets as we want. We just add a wallet down here. When you add a wallet, it's going to have its own passphrase, so you have to create that again. It'll have its own spending password, so you need to create that, store in a safe place, and you can stake with any pool you want. Hopefully it'll be the champ pool, which is ours. That's CHAMP, or any one you would like. So this is the delegation center. When you stake your ADA, so that you earn ADA by helping the stake pools run, you will do it here. And you have the delegation center here, and it keeps up with the different information for the epochs. Your stake pools will be loaded in here. They're not going to load right now because we're still syncing up. Your rewards will be shown here. So you'll end up using this delegation center if you want to stake your ADA, which most people will stake the ADA because the fact it never leaves your wallet, is never at risk. It just earns rewards. So it's really a good thing to do. This icon may or may not apply to you. It's the ITN, which was the incentivized testnet rewards. If you were part of that initiative and you staked your ADA on the testnet, then you can redeem them here. It does work. I've gone through the process on my other wallets and it works. This is just your settings. This is what you were asked initially when you set it up. Choices. So that's kind of a quick overview of the wallet. Hope this helped. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. I will be producing a lot more videos, a more in-depth video of wallet features and actually how to stake, how to send, receive. So be sure to watch those videos.